Good morning, third graders. It is Tuesday, April 28th. We're on lesson 156 of language. We're talking about synonyms today. We talked a little bit about it in second grade, but it's been a while. Synonyms are words that have nearly the same meaning, like happy and glad. Okay, they're spelled completely different, but they have the same, nearly means close to the same meaning. Funny and amusing. Fast and quick. They're synonyms. A fun way to remember that synonyms mean the same thing is to remember that the word synonym starts with S. Okay, so we have words like strange. What would be some synonyms of strange? Well, we could use odd, peculiar, unusual, brave. Okay, what are some synonyms of brave? Courageous, fearless, heroic. Okay, some synonyms of thankful would be grateful. Okay, student, a synonym of student would be pupil. You may not have heard that except for the pupil in your eye, but another name for student is a pupil. Okay, so on page 177, synonyms are words that have the same meaning or nearly the same meaning. Okay, you can be sick and you might say I'm sick, or I could say I'm ill. And happy and joyful. So on think A, you're going to draw a line from a word in column A to column B that is a synonym. Okay, you're going to match the synonyms. So you have below, and it's going to go to under. So the first one, below, will go to under. It means almost the same thing. So you need to read column A, then read column B, and then see what word would come close to a synonym. Okay. Write B, says write 2 synonyms for walk, and then 3 synonyms for run. Okay, and that's it for language. In math today, it's review, and I do want to do the first one on the board with you. I have it up here on the board. Let me get my book. It says, solve the story problem. A, how much would 48 feet and 14 yards of wood cost at 89 cents per yard? Okay, so I've got it up here on the board, the first part. So this is what you need to have down on your paper, okay, because we got to do an equation. We have 48 feet plus 14 yards, and we want to know how many yards altogether, okay? So we want to know yards, so I'm going to put it under feet because it's a different measurement. I'm going to box it. 1, 2, 3, put your S for special number, okay? So feet to yards, we're going to go bigger to smaller, divide. Okay, how many feet are in a yard? That would be 3. Okay, so we're going to divide 48 by 3. So you're going to want to write it like this so we can work it out. And I know it's probably kind of hard to see, but 3 goes into 4 one time, 18, 3 goes into 18 6 times. So our answer is 16. Okay, kind of hard to see down here. So we have 16 plus 14 yards equals, how much does it equal? Let's see, it'll be 30. So 30 would be in both. But we're not done yet. We've just found we have 30 yards. They want to know how much the wood would cost at 89 cents. Okay. And we have 89 cents here times 30. Okay, so we're going to do 9 times 0, 8 times 0, 0. We're going to go to the second row, put our 0 to hold our 1s. 3 times 9 is 27. Okay, 8 times 3 is 24, 25, 26. And then we add, okay, and then our decimal points here, so we're going to go 1, 2, okay. It's going to cost $26.70. Okay, hopefully you can see that. All right, let's look at the rest of your paper. B, you have another story problem. You're going to be doing averages. Number 2, write the products. 3, write the values and find the amount. 4, write the answers. Then on number 4, those first 2 that are going horizontal, you add it just the same. 12 will be on bottom, and then you add the ones Add and subtract. If you'll notice, there's adding and subtracting in there. 5, divide and check. 6, write the missing term. Okay, then we look at science. We're on 14.2 today, talking about nutrients. Okay, we need nutrients from our food. Food helps the body grow, stay warm, build and repair tissue, and remain healthy. Eating healthful foods can improve resistance to disease and help people recover faster from illness or injuries. Food contains chemical substances called nutrients that help keep the body working as it should. These chemicals are classified into 6 categories: water, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. We're going to focus on the first 4 of those. The body needs different amount of nutrients. Eating a variety of healthy foods provides the body with the nutrients it needs. So on page 213, you're going to read about nutrients more and carbohydrates and water. Then on the next page, you're going to read about protein and fat. Okay, very important things that we need in our diet to help us grow strong and be healthy. All right, that is science for the day. That is Tuesday. I hope you have a great day. I hope you're working hard, and I will see you on Wednesday.